Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda and this is my Feel Good Journey. So today I'm going to do another request video. This is my second request video and I'm super excited about these. Reason being is because I feel like I'm actually helping out, whether it's to help you guys figure out if you want the product or if you don't want the product. I am glad to help you in any way, shape, or form. And this time it's going to be what's in my bag, what fits in the bag for the Gucci Supreme backpack, which I absolutely love. I'm using this backpack right now, so I thought what better time to do what's in my bag video, and I'll show you guys how it looks on, and I'll show you that you could actually take these straps off, because I also got a question on that, and that way you guys could get all your questions answered in one video. So the girl that requested this video is let me see, I know I had her name, it's Mama Vlogs by Ellie. So she has like this super cute channel, so I was very honored that she asked me for a request video, and I'm going to show you guys now what is in my bag. And so this is what it looks like on, I mean not on, but what it looks like with all the stuff in there, and then I'll take it out so you guys could see how big my stuff actually is and that it actually does fit in here properly, or like it's pretty roomy. So here it is. This is my makeup bag. I always carry my makeup bag. I always carry at least chapstick, lipstick, and a compact. So yes, I always carry my makeup bag. Right now I have more than that in here, but I obviously always have this with me, and I always have my wallet. I always have my huge wallet unless I have like my little belt bags, but normally I use my wallet because I have everything that I ever need in here. So this is my go-to wallet, and I'll actually do a review on this wallet because it's an amazing wallet. I absolutely love this wallet. So then I always have a spritz with me from Victoria's Secret. I love Victoria's Secret scents because I feel like a girl should always smell good. I also have my sunnies. These up to the, you know, now I'm using my Louis Vuitton sunnies, so I always have those with me. Either or I always have hand sanitizer because I do have 4 kids and 2 of them are babies, and I always need to have hand sanitizer with me. And I always have a huge bottle of lotion with me because I always need lotion. I feel like I have to have lotion at all times. So I always have lotion with me. I love everything coconut scent. I don't know why. I just love, that's like my favorite scent ever. So I always have like some type of coconut lotion with me. And today I have the Frosted Coconut Snowball. This is actually 75% off at Bath and Body Works. I always get those two mixed up. Well, the last time I went it was like 75% off. So yes, I actually love this scent. It's not too wintry, it's not too summery, it's like perfect for me. So yes, and of course my phone fits in here, and I'll show you how everything fits. So this has a lot of the compartments. So I always have my phone right here because I always have to have my phone like fast, because in case my husband calls, sometimes he works out of town, so you know I always have to make sure he's good. So this fits in here, my huge wallet. I'm gonna put everything back in there. My little what's it called, sprit thing. This is my sunnies, my big old MAC what's it called, makeup bag. And then here you go. So again, this is what it looks like with all the stuff in there. The only thing with this backpack is it tends to open like when you're walking. It's not like the Louis Vuitton backpack with the zipper that is super hard to open. This is a little bit easier for it to open. So as you're walking, this starts opening. So you really have to be careful, especially when it's on your back. That, you know, I know like I've seen videos where people grab stuff from backpacks. So what I do, or have my daughter do when she uses it, I simply just put a little knot. I know it's like annoying because when you get stuff out, you have to take the knot out, but I rather do that than have somebody stick their hand in there or something fall off of my backpack. So yes, I always do that. I don't know, it's not the best looking, but it does, you know, kind of secure it. Well, it really secures it. So yes, so this is what it looks like. It actually also looks like a little bucket backpack. So I was asked if you could take these off, and you actually can, and I'll show you how. So right here, this is what the buckle looks like, right? All you do is lift this up, take this out, right? So this is gonna be left hanging, and then you're gonna just take this out. It's super simple to take off. Then you do this and this, and there you go. It's like a little cute little bucket, you know, purse that you could carry like so, or like this. But this isn't too, like, just keep in mind it's not like a huge, you know, waist or whatever, but it is super comfortable and it does look super cute. And then I'll show you how it looks like as a actual backpack. Let me just put it all back together. And yeah, so this purse is like super cute. It matches with everything. It's more of a casual purse, but it is like one of my favorites, definitely. It's like a lot of stuff fits in there. So yes, let me just put it back together so you guys could see what it looks like as an actual backpack. I hope you guys could see because I don't have a lot of room to work with, but I want you guys to actually see it. So, okay, sorry, my son just texted me. So this is what it looks like. So here you go. Hope like you could see it. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. I absolutely love it, especially like these little, I usually just carry it like this, but I just love, you know, the straps because of the bright colors. It actually is so cute. It's such a cute casual backpack. Everything fits in here. It's not high maintenance. You could like do so much with it. You don't have to be super careful with it. It doesn't get dirty. It's like a perfect backpack. So I definitely recommend it. So I hope I answered your guys' questions. If I didn't, please feel free to ask me again, and I'll definitely do what I can to get those questions answered as soon as I can. And I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. And my next video is actually gonna be my microblading video. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but like my eyebrows are always like a different shape, and it's not because I'm creative. It's because I really don't know how to do my eyebrows. So I just decided to get them microbladed on Friday. It's the very first time I've ever gonna get anything like that done. So I'm like super excited about it. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So I would love it if you guys would tune into that and subscribe to my channel. I don't even know if I asked you that, but I would love that as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.